Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the cinema snack counter in Heartopia. So during this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic. And in this event, there is a battle pass that you can get lots of cool rewards. And one of them is cinema snack counter like this. And to get this cinema snack counter furniture recipe, you need to reach battle pass level 60, and to level it up until this level you can just collect the festival points that you can get these festival points from the town festival catalog rewards, town festival limited collections rewards, or you can also get it from the resident request rewards. And after that, just keep doing the event tasks and then just claim all the festival points. And after that, once you finally reach level 60, you will get this cinema snack counter recipe automatically, and it will add it to your workbench, and you can just craft it anytime. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.